morning, Chef. This is Magali and I'm Melina, and we're into day 4 of the Live Below the Line challenge. Today we're going to be discussing what we have left
for tomorrow and today. So Melina, what have you got left?
Yes, I'll start first because I have the least, as you can see, although Magali does have food for 2. So I have 2 eggs, 2 apples, 2 pieces of bread, 2 packets of noodles and 2 pies as well. So it's all 2 by 2. No, I like my apples. Oh. Not touching my apple.
You sure you don't want to stop?
Okay, what have you got there?
Australia, France. So remember, this is for 2 people, so there's a lot more variety. I'm planning to do some French crepes and
what?
Wait, crepes. Crepes.
Crepes. Oh, she means crepes, people.
No, I mean crepe.
Crepe.
Crepe. Anyway, to make my crepe, I need some milk, which is going to be a bit of a worry because there's not much left. Probably I have to put a lot of water. Water. Yeah, water. So it would be perhaps Australian crepes.
Why? Because there's water in it?
No, because I don't know how to make crepes.
Of course you know how to make crepes.
How can you make a dish you can't even pronounce? Come on. So, let's go back to France here.
Okay, back to France here. France,
Yeah.
what have you got?
Well, I've got lots of variety. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Ooh. You sure you don't wanna?
No vegetables.
No,
I like my fruit.
Lots of
My fruit alone.
carb-based food. Lots of it, a bit too much for me, but remember we're 2 of us and I wouldn't have chosen so much carb because I had enough carbs.
How's Kevin coping?
He lost 2 kilos.
Wow. Actually, I have to say, I can zip up my trousers a bit better this week too.
Yeah, with a diet like this.
You never see any big, poor people, so yeah. Well, you don't. Well, I haven't. So. Oopsie.
I wish I had something else to eat. Always soup.
You're okay. I've only just got an apple.
How about I give you some of my soup and
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Oh. Actually, there's something missing.
What?
Toast.
Toast. Okay. Well, that'd be quite nice with your soup.
Yeah.
Oh, what's wrong?
That was my only one left.
Oh my God! Let's have a look.
It's the thing when you're in poverty.
Let me see,
No,
let me
I can eat the edge. I can eat the edge.
Oh no! As you wish. Just pretend there's Vegemite on top.
Yeah.
Be fine.
What does it look black?
Yeah, Vegemite's black.
Vegemite. Black color. Shame I don't like Vegemite.
But you like burnt toast. Okay.